Welcome to the best pick. The best 3M small hole repair is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to maintain the pristine condition of their walls, offering a straightforward and effective solution for those unsightly nicks, dents, and holes that inevitably appear over time, ensuring your living space always looks its best with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. 3M Small Hole Repair All-in-One Applicator Tool. Tired of slow wall repairs? This tool makes patching nicks and nail holes up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. Get your walls looking smooth in no time. Repairing small imperfections is now incredibly simple. This all-in-one applicator is perfect for quickly fixing those annoying nicks and nail holes. Just grab it and go. Don't worry about the size of the damage. It's designed to handle repairs for holes up to 3 inches in diameter. It covers a wide range of common wall issues. The advanced spackling compound provides excellent hiding power, ensuring a seamless finish. Plus, it resists flashing and won't shrink, crack, or sag after application. Everything you need is included in one convenient tool. It comes with a putty knife, spackle, and sanding pad, making it a truly all-in-one solution for your wall repair needs. You'll appreciate how lightweight the spackle compound is. This makes application smooth and easy, contributing to a professional-looking result with minimal effort. What we like. This product makes repairs significantly faster than traditional methods. It includes everything you need in one tool for convenience. If you are looking for a quick and efficient way to fix common wall damage like nicks and nail holes, this is a great choice. What people say. This little tool comes with everything you need: spackle, a putty knife, and a sanding pad, all built into one handy bottle. Using it was super easy. I just squeezed the primer-enhanced spackle into the holes, smoothed it out with the attached putty knife, and let it dry. It dries really fast, which was great because I didn't have to wait long to sand it down with the cap sanding pad. The incorporation of sandpaper and spatula in the body of the spackle tube is ingenious and innovative. The question of, now where did I set that thing down now, is much simpler when you only have to track down one item instead of 3. Number 4. Erase-a-Hole Wall Repair Stick. Tired of unsightly nail holes, screw holes, cracks, and dents? This product offers an instant solution for drywall, plaster, or wood. Simply apply, wipe, and paint, no sanding or extra tools needed. Achieve professional, long-lasting results with its quick-drying formula. It blends seamlessly with any wall texture or color, ensuring a perfect match every time. Its compact, twist-up applicator makes repairs effortless, anywhere you go. It's perfect for apartments, offices, and quick home touch-ups. Rely on its durable, contractor-grade putty that stays smooth and solid. Enjoy a permanent repair that truly lasts. Trust a family-owned, American-made brand. DIYers and professionals have relied on our quality for over a decade. What we like. This option offers a truly mess-free experience with its portable design and no sanding requirement. It dries quickly and blends seamlessly for a professional finish. If you need a convenient, on-the-go solution for small holes and cracks, especially in apartments or for quick touch-ups, this is ideal. What people say. Excess easily wipes clean off drywall with a damp paper towel. No need to sand. Super easy to use. It is very easy to roll on and cover the nail hole. Nice stick design, feels like a functionality of a glue stick. Even a child can use it. Easy to use. Easy to clean with water. Number 3. Fix-It Fast Wall Hole Filler. Introducing the Fix-It Fast Wall Hole Filler, your all-in-one solution for wall repairs. It comes with a built-in applicator and spreader for your convenience. This versatile filler is perfect for holes up to 2 inches, scratches, and other imperfections caused by everyday wear and tear. It makes repairing screw and nail holes a breeze. Don't worry about waste. Our resealable top ensures that you can save the product from multiple repairs, making it a cost-effective choice. Unlike traditional spackle, this product features a joint compound with a thinner consistency. This allows for much easier spreading, especially over larger areas. Designed for interior use only, it seamlessly blends into your home's walls. Enjoy a smooth finish without the hassle of sanding for smaller repairs. What we like. This product is designed as a complete solution with an integrated applicator and spreader. Its resealable top means you can save it for future use. If you have multiple small repairs and prefer a joint compound that's easier to spread over larger areas without sanding, this is a practical option. What people say. The nozzle is designed to puncture the tube. When you're ready to go, you just place the scraper a little above the hole, squeeze, then scrape over the hole. Then use a mildly damp rag to wipe off the excess. Hole filled and the only product left is in the hole, not on the wall around it. This 3-ounce tube is perfect for patching small holes and cracks, making it a go-to for any DIYer. The filler is easy to apply, providing a smooth finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding wall. You simply unplug the applicator tip and squeeze the filler onto the holes in your wall, then use the gray cap to spread the filler evenly. It applies the filler so smoothly that I did not have to sand it down afterwards. It dries pure white. Number 2. Home Wall Repair Paste. Tired of unsightly holes and cracks in your walls? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed for fast and effective home repairs. Our advanced formula dries rapidly, allowing you to complete your repairs in no time. Get your walls looking pristine again, quickly. Experience superior adhesion that bonds strongly to various surfaces like plaster and wood. It creates a lasting repair you can rely on. This repair paste is waterproof, making it suitable for use even on damp surfaces. It's perfect for walls and ceilings. Application is a breeze with the included tools. Achieve professional-looking results effortlessly, even if you're new to DIY. Whether it's a small hole, a dent, or a scratch on your walls or wood, this multi-purpose agent handles it all. Restore the beauty of your home with ease. What we like. This repair paste boasts rapid drying and excellent adhesion to various surfaces, including damp ones. It's also waterproof, making it versatile. If you need a durable and quick fix for holes, dents, or scratches on walls, ceilings, or wood, and require a waterproof solution, this kit is a solid contender. What people say. Easy to use, dries fast. Had to repair wall damaged by a hook with adhesive. Worked perfectly. I had many holes to fill on my wall and this product is quick, easy and did an amazing job. It hides small holes perfectly. Number 1. 3M High Strength Large Hole Repair Plate. Introducing the 3M High Strength Large Hole Repair Plate, a revolutionary solution for wall and ceiling repairs. This product is designed to make your DIY projects easier and faster. Its unique flexible design adheres behind the wall, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. You can trust it to provide durable and long-lasting repairs. This repair plate is specifically engineered to handle holes ranging from 3 to 5 inches in diameter. It's the perfect tool for tackling medium to large damaged areas. When used with our high-strength large hole repair compound, it makes repairs up to 5 times faster. Save time and effort on your next project. Experience repairs that stand the test of time. It won't shrink, crack, or sag, maintaining its integrity and appearance. Suitable for both interior and exterior applications, it offers versatility for various repair needs. For exterior use, simply apply exterior paint. What we like. This is specifically designed for larger holes, making repairs up to 5 times faster when paired with the recommended compound. It adheres securely behind the wall for a professional finish. If you're dealing with significant damage between 3 to 5 inches in diameter on walls or ceilings, this plate is the best solution. What people say. This product with the fiberglass is stronger than the wood itself. It is a lighter weight than regular putty and spreads like a whipped butter. The patch is easy to spread and hold its shape. There was no sagging or dropping like I have experienced with other patches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.